can't really start spring without talking about some of the new or unusual things that are on the market that you might want for your own home landscape. One of the ones that's been popular for a number of years is Wildflower mix in a box or garden in a box. Lots more choices now, and they're seeds, so you're going to want to make sure you read that label so you know exactly what sorts of plants you're getting. Are they annual? Are they perennial? Are they going to grow for you? But it is really a great way to scatter that seed, stand back, do it properly, and watch it grow. We talk all the time about good soil health, whether it's in your landscape or in those containers that are ever more popular. And we have a lot of new materials or newer materials available that have maybe more organic options. Some of those ingredients that you might not think of as being great for your garden, but they really are. You probably aren't going to want to buy bagged soil for a whole landscape, but if you look, you can even buy things now like cocoa fiber, a brick that you add water to. It expands. It is one of those ingredients that will help make that soil health better for whatever you're trying to grow. Keeping with that trend of trying to attract pollinators to your landscape, using natural or organic materials, touching that earth lightly, and creating good soil, we of course have a bee hotel. This is not a new trend, but it's one that is still wildly popular. You don't have to build your own, you can buy your own that just looks like a piece of artwork. And then we have this really interesting moss pole, which is bendable, and you could actually grow plants like orchids, which are wildly popular again as a house plant, in this pole and turn it into this fabulous artistic creation in your house. Houseplants, succulents, and all those really interesting containers are every bit as popular as they've been for the last couple of years. Almost an infinite variety of beautiful objects you can add to your landscape or your garden or grow inside. And of course, what is old is new again because we have macrame plant hangers. The squirrels might take a bite out of them. It might be worth it if you don't want to create your own. Go to your garden center, look at what you can use to make your plants healthier and your landscape more beautiful.